Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Wanderthirst. This is Rajesh here. Today, I am going to bring you most useful information related to English speaking doctors in Tokyo, Nishikasai area. If you are in Japan for some time, you would know how rare it is to find English speaking people. Sometimes you feel helpless when you can't communicate with people and get the information you need. Especially if you face any health problems and have to visit any hospital, need for English speaking doctors becomes very critical. In this video, I'll be listing some of the clinics or hospitals near Nishikasai wherein you can find English speaking doctors. Please note that I'm not trying to promote or advertise any doctor or clinic or hospital, just sharing the information so that it would be useful for everyone who watches this video. I will add chapter links for each clinic in the description. If you want to watch or revisit a specific section of the video, you can click on the chapter link and go directly to that particular section. First in the list is the clinic which treats all your common and general illnesses like fever, headache, gastric problem, etc. And the name of the clinic is Hikari Clinic. Doctor here speaks good English and the receptionist or nurses try their best. This clinic is very close to Nishikasai station. Once you come out of south exit, move slightly right towards the bus stop and then walk straight ahead. Cross the road and take right and walk till you reach the signal. You would find this clinic in the building on your left side. It is in the third floor of this building. Next clinic is for all your skin related problems and the name of this clinic is Akashi Clinic. They treat both kids and adults here. There are a couple of nice doctors. One of them is quite young and the other one is aged and very experienced. Both the doctors speak English and one of the nurses here speaks good English. To reach this clinic, from the road opposite Hikari, walk straight ahead till the signal. You would find 7-Eleven on your left. Cross the road towards El Torito and walk straight ahead. You would find Dinosaur Park on your left. Then take first right. This clinic will be on your left side. Next clinic is for most of the medical problems of kids, called CAPS Clinic. This is the most convenient clinic as it is open till 9 pm every day 365 days. That means it is open even during Golden Week holidays and year-end holidays. They also do child health checkups and vaccinations by accepting health coupons provided by Edogawa Health Center. There are many doctors here, out of which few of them speak English and few of the nurses also speak English. To reach this clinic, back from the 7-Eleven signal, walk straight till Seishincho Main Road and then take left. Next clinic we are going to see is Uchida Shika Dental Clinic. It is in Seishincho Patria building. They treat both kids and adults. Since CAPS clinic doesn't have a dentist, you may visit this dental clinic even for kids. Doctor and the nurse speak English here. From the signal near CAPS clinic, take the overbridge which takes you directly till Patria, Seishincho. It is in the second floor of this Patria building. Next clinic we are going to see is Saigusa Clinic with English speaking gynecologists. Few of the nurses here also speak English. I know many Indian families whose kids were born in this clinic. From north exit of Nishikasai station, walk towards S-Mart on left and then till Dotor in front. Take left here and go straight ahead few meters. You would see this clinic. Next in the list is Inoi Eye Hospital for all the basic and critical eye related problems. This hospital has many English speaking doctors. This is just few more steps away from Saigusa Clinic. Next, I am going to list couple of emergency hospitals with bit of English support but are open 24/7. Before that, do you know any more English speaking doctors near Nishikasai? If so, do mention them in the comments so that it would be useful for people who watch this video. Also, if you found this video useful, please like and feel free to share with your friends. First of the emergency hospitals is Tokyo Rinkai Hospital. It is a multi-specialty hospital having majority of the medical departments and provides 24/7 emergency service. You may get bit of English support here. Another hospital which provides emergency services is Moriyama Memorial Hospital. It may be a bit hard to get English support here, but better to know something than not knowing anything, isn't it? I will leave Google Map links for all the mentioned clinics and hospitals in the description of the video or as a first comment. Check them out if you need. Okay, that's it for the video. Hope you found it useful. Do subscribe to my channel so that you don't miss out on such useful future videos. Thanks for watching. Bye bye. Sayonara.